cooler with 50 pounds on top of it. Alright, gotta be able to drive and videotape. As you can see, no problems whatsoever. Alright, now we're going to try test number 2, which is with 24 cans of the wonderful generic soda, along with ice, along with the 50-pound weights, to see how well that does. Alright, that was with the ice and the soda. Now we're going to add the weights. There you go. There's 25 extra. There's 50 extra. Alright, let's see how it goes. This is on high speed. Asian driver. So that's easily over 75 pounds of soda, ice, and weight, and drives on high like a champ. We're here. We're going to test the custom C3 cooler. The 3 different speed settings on the remote. We're going to start from 35 feet away and test the speed. Here goes test number 1 on low. Ready, set, go. Our time is 27.7 seconds on low. Okay, test number 2 on medium, 35 feet. Ready, and go. .87 seconds. Alright, and the last phase is phase 3, which is on high speed with the LED lights active. Ready, set, go. .17 seconds. And just so y'all know, this is all 3 times with a full cooler of sodas and ice. Probably an extra 20 pounds inside, I would think. And that was the speed reviews for the C3 cooler. Thank you. Hi guys, we're here for the third and final installment of stress testing the C3 cooler. This test will be going uphill on what looks to be probably a 15 to 20 degree incline. The first run will be with just the cooler with ice and soda. As you can see, no problems. All right, test number 2. We're gonna add this 25-pound ballast. Oh yeah, go ahead, my bad. I'll just videotape. We'll add this 25-pound ballast to the top of the cooler and run the test again. Once again, all tests are on the high speed. And go ahead and go. Once again, absolutely no problem. All right, step 3. We're gonna go ahead and add another 25 pounds. So this will be a total of 50 pounds ballast, along with a full cooler of 24 sodas with ice. So probably an estimated 70 to 75 pounds overall. If this makes it, then it's just American made. Nothing else I can say. It's just here we go. All I want to know is does anybody have a newborn baby to throw on the top of this? Because I'm thinking that it can pretty much carry anything right now. And that concludes video number 3, a stress test of 20 degrees with 25, 50, and 75 pounds. Thank you for watching.